Okay. Took the 212 Predator engine off that I had on the bike. I'm finna put the 2.0 Briggs and Stratton on. Building it for my little cousin. His birthday in the summer. He finna turn like 6, I think. 6 or 5. Okay. I got all these parts off of a tiller cut up. You know, this came from a tiller motor, tiller, everything tiller. First, I'm gonna start with this mount. I'm gonna just try to secure it with this wire real fast, just to see where I be at. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. So as you see, I'm just strapping it down with this wire first, just to measure out how far the motor will be from the back rim, from the back tire. Getting the sprocket set. Okay, I got that halfway secure, just so I can see how this motor will sit. Gas tank. This the same frame I had the 212 on. Hey, seems like it'll fit quite perfect to me. Okay, I'm gonna run that belt drive just like that. See if I could make it bend down just a little bit more. Okay, I had the mount just a little bit too high. Instead of angling it that way, I angled it backwards. See, that's way better. Yeah, feeling it though. I just thought of bed. I think I want to get out of there. Yeah. Yeah, I put up on, yeah. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna run like a jack shaft type, then line the chain up that way. Belt to belt, then chain to chain, have it about up there or something. About right there. Can't run chain to here if I slide the motor over. Then that'll be unbalanced. So I ain't gonna do that. Have to grind this off, get a longer screw. Let me see if I got it. Might even throw a little pipe on there. Pipe carburetor. Might throw one of those 80cc carburetors on it. Shit, I got one somewhere around here. Hell, I might grind this part off. Have the carburetor hanging off like a GT80. Man, shit, they gonna be pretty nice.